Hello.
How are you?
Very good, thank you. My name's Emily. What's your name?
I am Sultan.
Nice to meet you, Sultan.
Nice to meet you too.
And where are you from?
I am originally from Pakistan, but I live in Saudi Arabia.
Okay. So, what would you like to do today? Would you like to practice talking?
Yes, we can do that.
Yeah. So, how long have you been learning English for?
It has been almost 7 years.
Ah, 7 years. Okay. So, tell me a little bit about what you do. Do you have to speak English at work? Mm,
Yes, because I'm a teacher and I teach the same subject, and I'm here to just practice my conversation skills.
fantastic. So, if you're an English teacher, I guess you know all of the grammar already. So, we just need to practice talking.
Right.
That's all. And the more you talk,
Mhm.
the more you'll practice.
Exactly.
What about your listening skills? Do you understand quite well when I talk and
Yes.
when other people talk?
Yes. I can understand easily.
Hmm. That's
Uh,
hmm
mhm.
that's good. So it's just about exploring conversation and possibly learning new bits of vocabulary. Um,
Right.
yeah. So tell me, what's it like being a foreigner in Saudi Arabia? Hmm. How do you
Here,
find it?
yeah, I feel that I'm still in Pakistan. It's not very different, and
Ah,
maybe because both the countries are Muslim countries.
hmm,
Secondly, you will find a lot of Pakistani people over here. There is a large community of Pakistanis, so
hmm.
it doesn't feel like that you are strange in a strange country.
Hmm.
So it is
That's
almost like you are in your own country.
oh, that's good. That's good. I guess you teach at an international school.
Yes, I teach in an international school. I teach fourth graders.
Uh-huh. Okay. And so when you're teaching, I guess children, fourth graders. My daughter is in fourth grade. So
Right.
when you're teaching the children, you find that culturally it's very similar. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, not a big difference.
Uh-huh. That's good. That makes the transition easy for
Yeah,
you. Yeah.
right.
Tell me about. Do you have a family? Or
Yes, I have a family, and luckily I am with my family in Saudi Arabia.
oh, that's nice. So you all moved there together. Hmm.
We didn't move here together. I came here first, and then I invited my family after a year.
So do your wife and children enjoy living in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, they
Uh-huh.
enjoy. It's much better over here.
Hmm. I mean, I'm also I live in Kosovo, so I don't live in the country that I was born in. My husband is from Kosovo, so I live here with him. But I've contemplated because since I've completed my teacher training,
Mhm.
I'm contemplating moving abroad somewhere like I don't know, somewhere like Saudi Arabia or Dubai or somewhere to teach English,
Right.
like yourself.
Mhm.
Do you think, do you have any tips? Do you think it's easy to take your family along with you?
Uh, I'm not sure how is it like from your country,
Uh-huh.
because in Pakistan, the team from this school came to
Mm-hmm.
hire people,
Mm-hmm.
and I gave the interview, and I was hired there.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not sure how is it like, and I didn't have a very good salary in Pakistan, so for me it's a good
Mm-hmm.
package over here.
Yeah.
So yeah,
I mean, I'm not looking to emigrate, so to speak, but I'd like to have the experience. Like I'd like to go maybe just for 3 or 4 months, maybe
right.
for 6 months maximum. And I don't know if I should. I guess I should take my family with them, or or leave them at home. I'm not too sure.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
but it sounds like it's been a positive experience for you. Hmm.
Yes, for me it is better, but you know that everywhere there are some problems as well. Uh, but overall, it's a good experience.
Mm, oh, fantastic, fantastic. What what do you like to do when you're not teaching? Do you enjoy any hobbies or sports?
Yes, so I like watching movies,
Mm-hmm.
and I sometimes also like to read books.
Mm-hmm. Fantastic. Yeah. How old are your children then?
I'm sorry?
Your children. How old are your children?
No, I don't have children.
Oh, I beg your pardon. No.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I guess the climate is similar as well. So Pakistan is quite warm, and Arabia is quite warm. Do you enjoy?
Yes, that's true.
Hmm. And do you enjoy the cuisine?
Yes, I think that even the food is almost similar, and I think that it's healthier
Ah,
than
okay.
Pakistani food.
Hmm. Yeah. Um, Certainly, it must be healthier than English food because English food is quite rich in carbohydrates and oil. So I think you eat more rice and more meat, so it's bound to be
Yes,
healthier. Yeah. Uh,
right.
yeah. I'm a little bit surprised to hear that the culture is the same because when I think of um, from your home country, we see in the movies quite colourful and women wearing very colourful clothes. But
Mhm.
when I see in Arabia, they wear quite dark clothes. So, but you tell me the culture is the same. So that's interesting.
Yeah, I think that in that aspect it's different because here I think that wearing abaya or hijab is mandatory for women.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
But
but I don't think so that it's very necessary because I see some women over here as well who actually do not wear it.
okay.
So yes, in Pakistan, you have a liberty
Mm,
to wear
yeah.
things, but obviously that you need to wear something modest.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Uh, I have a question for you if you don't mind.
Yes.
I can see that you are wearing hijab and this scarf.
Uh
So
huh.
it is because of religious point of view, or it's cold where you
No.
live.
No. 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 I'm a convert to Islam, so I am Muslim. Yes. And
Ah,
yeah, it is also cold, but the
okay.
reason I'm wearing it is because it's a religious requirement. Yeah.
Ah, I see.
Mhm.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, there are many. Muslim people in England from all
Hmm.
over the world, so second and third generations from every country in the world. But there are also lots of converts like myself. Um, it
Right.
is, after all, the fastest growing religion in the world. So yeah, there are many British people like me who are converts to Islam. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. We don't have time, but uh, I would like to ask you about, if you don't mind and if you are comfortable answering me, that what made you to change the religion?
Okay. Well, my husband is a Muslim, but
Mhm.
that's not the reason. I was married to him for 5 years,
Right.
and he wasn't practicing. But I found myself reading the Quran, and well, I found a lot of good things in the Quran. So it's a long story, but yeah, basically, I decided that I would start following Islam, and
Mhm.
yeah, so I converted to Islam, and then my husband started practicing the religion that he was born into. So
Right.
now we both practice Islam together, and we have three
Wow.
children, uh, Alhamdulillah. So yeah,
That's great. That's pretty cool. So
yeah.
I can see we do not have time. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank
Have
you
a
for
nice day.
calling, and keep up the good work. Okay.
Okay. Bye. Thank
Salam
you.
alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.